Hello my friends, welcome back to the part 2 of replacing the screen on the iPhone 7.
Can you know?
I'm trying to make sure to connect this bracket perfectly. It gives me some troubles. Alright, as you see now the bracket it's connected, is like set up perfectly on its place. Alright, so after I put the screws back, so what I'm gonna do, I will just start from the top here and make sure to insert the screen like this. Okay, and push on the top here gently, and here make sure the screen is like perfectly set here. All right, and now I'm gonna turn the phone on and we will see if everything is working perfect. All right my friend, the phone is on now. As you see, it looks like everything is working perfect. 1 2 3. I don't have the password for this phone, so I'm just gonna like swipe in normal.